Hello guys, let us solve this problem on Hackerrank called Java Datatypes. So basically what I was supposed to do in this problem is you need to know the range for byte, short, int and long, which I have. Obviously we'll discuss about that. So basically they are just giving us some test cases. So n is so 5 test cases, then just we are just taking some 5 numbers and we just have to print it, if it can be fitted in short, int, long or byte. So if it can be fitted, we'll print it out according to the order which they have told us over here. And if it does not fit, then we'll basically print out that it cannot be fitted. Like it says over, it cannot be fitted. So for that, actually they have gave us some sample code. I'll do one thing. I'll just copy the main function or main method actually and paste it on IntelliJ so that I can use some shortcuts for me. So yeah, this is easy. So see, according to hold on. So according to this, we have took some scanner input, which is t for number of test cases. We have ran the for loop for t times, that is t test cases, so t times. Then we are using some try and catch blocks. So see, for try, we are going to basically try if it fits in byte, short, int or long. If it does not fit in any one of them, then obviously we'll get an error. And inside of this error, we'll simply print out it cannot be fitted anywhere. That's what we are supposed to do. So this all is fine. So they have actually checked for, if I'm not wrong, yeah, see, they are taking up to long because so if you write x equals to long, then basically x can be byte, integer, short, byte, short, integer, or it can be long as well. That's why we took x as long. We cannot take x as byte or short or integer because long is the maximum, maximum number of bits that we can store. So fine. So if it can be fitted in, then we'll simply print out byte and so on. So this is for byte, and they actually gave us the range for x. X will be from -128 to 127, which I have over here obviously. So see, actually if you see, it can be written as -2 raised to 7 to 2 raised to 7 minus 1. So 128 is 2 raised to 7. So that's why -128 to 127 is 2 raised to 7 minus 1. That is 128 minus 1 is 127. So this is fine. The same goes for short, int and long. So you might have this question, why did I use this thing for 2 raised to and so on? Why? Because see, if you are checking for byte and all, where it went, this thing. So we checked for byte. So obviously we have to copy this thing and paste it 4 times so that we can check for byte, short, int and long. So I'll do anything, I'll just change it to short. So, but now I have to change the range for short as well. So if you write x belongs to, obviously you'll write x belongs to minus 30,000 to 30,000 whatever. So you can write it over, it is fine. You can change this thing over here. You can change for byte, you can change for short, you can change for int. But when you write the range of x from these things, like suppose I'll do one thing, I'll just copy this thing and paste it over here. So suppose I want to check, this is for long, suppose. So I'm checking for long. So if I check this thing, so okay, I'll have to get rid of these commas first. So just a minute. Yeah, so see, I'm done. So whatever, it gave me an error saying integer number too large. So we cannot do this. So instead of that, we are going to use the power of 2, right? So this is fine. Now let us use the power of 2. So it will be 2 raised to 15 to 2 raised to 15 minus 1. So for that, for getting the power of 2, I'm going to use math.power function. So math.power, power of 2 with 15. So by this you get 120, hold on, not 120, you will get 32,000, whatever number is, 32,768 you will get. So obviously minus, and after this obviously you'll go to this number minus 1. So basically this is nothing but this thing that I have over here, this thing, right? Now after that we just have to use byte, short, long, int and long. So yeah, this is the code for int and this is the code for long. So 2 raised to 31 and 2 raised to 63, and obviously here minus 1 and here add a minus sign and add some spaces so that it looks good, whatever. So fine, I have basically took these things and just use them in if conditions. So yeah, it looks fine now. I have completed the code, so I'll get rid of this comment. So I'll just run this code and see what happens. So for that, for checking some sample test case, I'll just copy the sample input and let us see if it actually works. Yeah, enter. Yeah, it is working perfectly fine. I'll just copy the main method from here and paste it over there so that we can actually verify for all the test cases. Yeah, and I just want the main, I'll just increase the size for a while so it is visible. So yeah, backspace and paste. So I'll run the code, let us see what happens. Yeah, sample test case we also checked it, so it is fine. Let us see if all the test cases are satisfying. Yeah, it is fine. That's all. So you can subscribe to our channel to get updates regarding new videos. So that's all. Stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.